Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your VN project and selecting the clip or image you want to animate. Once selected, enable keyframe mode for scale or transform so VN records changes. Tap the timeline to place your first keyframe at the exact start time. This preserves the initial scale and position. Make sure the playhead is locked to that frame. Doing this first step prevents jumps later and gives you a stable reference for the zoom that follows. Next, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to finish and add a new keyframe. This defines the target. Then adjust scale, pinch on the preview or change numeric scale values to zoom in or out. Make small X/Y position edits to keep the subject centered as it scales. Once done, apply easing or a custom curve so the motion accelerates and decelerates naturally. This avoids abrupt speed changes and makes the zoom feel professional. And finally, scrub through the timeline and preview the zoom at real-time speed to confirm smoothness and framing. If you notice jitter, shift keyframe positions slightly or soften the curve. Small tweaks often fix overshoot or choppy motion. When satisfied, set export resolution and render. If things go wrong, like snapping or sudden jumps, check that no unintended duplicate keyframes exist and ensure the playhead was on exact frames when setting keyframes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.